Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to sort by last name in Google Sheets. So um, step one, if your names are in one column, you must separate them first. So highlight the column with the names, just like that, and then go to the data and select split text to columns right here. And ensure the separator is set to space. So like that, separated detect automatically. Here we will select it to space. You will now have first name in one column and last name in the next, just like that. So let's say I will show you just like that. Really quickly, I will add some um, Alright, why I can do that back. Okay, Emma. Let me really quickly add some last name. Just like that. Now I will select like that, go to data and then split text to column and separator will be space. Okay. And as you can see now, we have here separate the first name and the last name. Now that the last names are in their own column, so select all your data, click the empty box in the top left corner above row 1, so right here. Go to the data, sort range, and then select advanced range sorting option, like that. Check the box, data has header row. If you have title like last name at the top, in the sort by drop down, select the last name. So I will select the name here or status, yes. Now choose A to Z and click sort. All right. And just like that, we have sorted out here by the last name. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can sort by last name. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.